So the burden of asthma in Canada is enormous. We estimate about 15% of the Canadian population have asthma. The healthcare costs run to several $1 billion a year, and unfortunately people still die from asthma in this country. It's an entirely treatable disease, and research work done in Calgary is looking to advance and get better treatments going forward. Our long-term goal remains to try and cure the disease, although at this point the treatments are very much aimed at controlling the disease.
Yeah, I think it's not just the fact of looking for benefits per se, but looking for confirmation of the mechanisms and the processes that one will be studying in the laboratory environment actually take place in a real living, breathing human being.
Well, I think clinical trials offer many patients the opportunity to get cutting-edge treatments or interventions that wouldn't be available to them otherwise.
I think by allowing that translation between the basic research and the clinic is an absolutely essential component of the ongoing drug discovery process. Without that, there will be no new drugs.
So in terms of their overall health, it helps people to learn about their lung function a bit, like knowing your blood pressure or your cholesterol level. It helps people to understand a bit of their own body, their own physiology. I spent some time educating volunteers, looking at each lung function parameter and explaining what those things are and how it is that they're important for the study and what it is we're looking at.
I've suffered with asthma my whole life. My adult life has been particularly challenging because I wanted to participate in my favorite activities and my children's activities, and I've been limited in that ability to do that. All my life I've had a steady supply of meds to control the inflammation in my airways. Most of the time my asthma is under control, but when it's not, even life's most simple activities like climbing stairs can be a challenge. I've participated in 2 clinical studies. Both have had different results, but the outcome has been dramatic for me. Even after the first dose, I was able to participate in my life's events at a significantly improved rate. Even after the very first dose, my health, both mental and physical, improved dramatically. Since that first dose, I haven't had to take my Ventolin even once. I feel like I've got my life back. I would certainly encourage people to participate in these studies. The benefit that you can receive for yourself and hopefully for others is significant.
So I think it's important to realise that by conducting basic research and early phase clinical trials, we get to understand the mechanisms by which existing drugs work, and by understanding how they work and in how in some patients how they may not work properly, we get the opportunity to improve upon the process and thereby long term can improve patient well-being.